NCERT 6th Class Chapter 8 India's Climate and Vegetation and Wildlife. You read a newspaper in Delhi and watch on TV or hear other talking about weather. You must know the weather is about day-to-day changes in the atmosphere. It includes changes in temperatures, rainfall and sunshine, etc. For example, as such, it may be hot or cold, sunny or cloudy, wind or calm. You must have noticed that when it is hot continuously for several days, you do not need any warm clothing. You also like to eat or drink cold things. In contrast, there are days together. You feel cold without woolen clothes. When it is very windy and chilly, you would like to have something hot to eat. Broadly, the major seasons recognized in India's cold weather seasons winter, December to February, hot weather season summer, March to May, a southwest monsoon season rainy, June to September, season of returning monsoon autumn, October and November, cold weather seasons or winter. During the winter seasons, the sun rays do not fall directly in the region. As a result, the temperatures are quietly low in northern India. Hot weather seasons or summers. In the hot weather seasons, sun rays more or less directly fall in the region. Temperatures becomes very high, hot dry winds called to blow during the day. Let's have fun. People in all parts of our country drinks delicious cold drinks called sarbat made from fruit available in their regions. They are excellent thirst conscious protect our bodies from the ill effect of the harsh dew. Have you tried sarbat made from the raw mangoes, bell lemon, turmeric, cocoa, palsa, water, lemon and buttermilk made from the curd, for example, kacha, matha, mori, chaas, etc. Many makes banana and mangoes milkshake too. After a hot summer, the first rains bring much joy. All of language have melodious songs on rain. They sound happy and brings cheer. Learn 2 songs on rain and sing them together. Write or collect 5 poems on rain. Ask your friend, neighbors and family members of name for rains other seasons in different languages, for instance. Varsha Hindi, Paus Marathi, Baish Urdu, Borsha Bengali. Southwest monsoon seasons or rainy season. This season is marked by the warmest and advanced of monsoon. The winds blow from the Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal towards the land. They carry moisture with them. When these winds strike the mountain barriers, rainfall occurs. Season or retaining monsoon or autumns. Winds move back from the mainland to the Bay of Bengal. This is the seasons of returning monsoon. The southern part of India, particularly Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh, receive rainfall in these seasons. However, the climate is above the average weather condition which have been measured over many years. The climate of India has broadly been described as a monsoon type. Monsoon is taken from the Arabic word mausim, which means a season due to India's locations in the tropical region. Most of rain is brought by the monsoon wind. Agriculture in India is dependent on the rains. God monsoons means adequate rain and bountiful crops. The climate of place is affected by its location, altitude, distance from the sea, and relief. Therefore, we experience regional differences in the climate of India. Jaisalmer and Bikaner in the desert of Rajasthan are very hot, while the Dras and Kargil in Ladakh are freezing cold. Coastal plains like the Mumbai and Kolkata experience moderate climate. They are neither too hot or too cold, being on the coast. These places are very humid. Masinram in the Meghalaya received the world highest rainfall while in particular area it might not rain at all in the Jaisalmer in Rajasthan. Natural vegetation. We see a variety of plant life in our surroundings. How notice it is to play in a field with green grasses. There are also small plants called the bushes and shrubs like cactus, flowering plant, etc. Besides, there are many tall trees, some with many branches and leaves like neems, mangoes, some which stand with a few leaves such as the palm, the grasses, shrubs and trees, which grow on their own without interference or help from human beings, are called natural vegetations. Do you wonder how these differ from each other? Different types of natural vegetations are depend on different climatic conditions, among which the amount of rainfall is very important. Due to varied climate conditions, India has wide range of natural vegetation. Why are the forests necessary? Why are forests necessary? Forests are very useful for us. They perform various functions. Plants release oxygen that we breathe and absorb carbon dioxide. The root of the plant blind the soil. Thus they control soil erosion. Forests provide us with timber for furniture, fuel, wood, fodder, medicinal plant and herbs, etc. Logs, honey, gum, etc. Forests are the natural habitat of wildlife. Natural vegetation has been destroyed to large extent because of the reckless cutting of trees. We should plant more trees and protect the existing ones and make people aware of the importance of trees. We can have special programs like One Mahotsav to involve more people in making our earth green. Lilia's parents planted a sapling of neem to celebrate her birth on each birthday. A different sapling was planted. It was watered regularly and protected from severe heat, cold, and animals. Children took care not to the harm it. When Lilia was 21, beautiful trees stood and around her house. Birds built their nest on them. Flowers bloomed, butterflies fluttered around them. Children enjoyed their fruit, swings on their branches, and played in their shade. Soil bonding. Furniture, sports, fuel, fodder, shelter, medicine, oxygen, honey, fruits, gum, natural habitat for wildlife, tumbler, rubber. These all provide trees. Wildlife. Wildlife. Forests are home to a variety of wildlife. There are thousands of species of animals and large variety of reptiles, amphibians, mammals, birds, insects, worms which dwell in the forest. The